This presentation about our new holographic sleeves. We'll be talking about the features, advantages, and the pricing indication. Sleeves today are still a convenient way to secure spirits, mainly because it reduces tampering, it reduces the refilling. Sleeving equipment is quite common on production lines, and it can seal a tax stamp. Plus, it reassures the customer regarding authenticity. The disadvantages are they're relatively easy to fake and therefore can give also a false assurance to customers. These days, additional security is put into sleeves in three key areas, mainly holograms, security print, and preformed sleeves make it difficult also. These all make it difficult for counterfeiters to copy, but there are still two key problems. The first of that is the price is too high for medium to high volumes due to the multi-step sleeve production process. And secondly, holograms need to be small or thin, otherwise they do not shrink properly. So here is what we suggest. The TBS anti-counterfeit holographic sleeve. And basically what they are is that the sleeve itself is a hologram. This basically has not been possible before, mainly because the production of holograms has always required heat. We use a brand new high technology production method which will not be available to counterfeiters for many years to come. Our sleeves are cost effective for medium to high volume production. This is how they look. First you have to choose your logo or crest, place it across the design of the sleeve, wherever you want, however you want it designed. What happens is, where there's no hologram or crest or logo, we leave the sleeve transparent, and therefore it does not affect too much the appearance of the underlying closure. The logo or crest itself is a hologram, and this hologram we can vary the transparency of the holographic image to be depending on the impact on the pack. So we can make it transparent or less transparent, changing the appearance of the pack. On top of that we can add perforations and if necessary also a tear tape. What about if you put a crest on it? Let's take a crest. This is what it could look like. We have a sleeve with the crest positioned right throughout the sleeve, but we can put as many of these as you want. Less or more depends on the design needed. From the technical standpoint, we can use any type of sleeve material, PVC, PET, PLA, biodegradable, and on these materials we can build in the holographic design. As an example, I've taken a lay flat size of 47 by 42 millimeters. This is just to be able to give you a pricing indication. To give you a pricing example of the size that I just mentioned, to make 1.2 million sleeves, it would cost us about 38.33 euros per thousand, giving a total price of 46,000 euros. There is a one-time setup cost of 9,500 euros. So the way forward is first we need to get the approval of the design with our design engineers and your marketing people. And once that's been done, we can start production and it can be sent to you, to your bottling line within about 8 to 10 weeks. Thank you very much for your attention, and we're very, very keen to talk to you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.